Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We're very pleased to be with you regularly to offer online cooking demonstrations and home garden tips. Hi, I'm Danielle Cook. Summer is synonymous with tomatoes, and right now they're at the height of their flavor. We're going to make a beautiful salad today with watermelon and beets and tomatoes. First, let's go see how the other cook sister, Adrienne, is doing with her garden tomatoes.
Did you know that tomatoes ripen at night? I'm Adrienne, and I'm going to be answering questions today about growing tomatoes. First question, do tomatoes need pruning? Tomatoes do best when they're grown on a single stalk, so the plant has just one main stalk going all the way up. When you see suckers like these growing at the base of the plant, remove them by pruning. In the summertime, I do a little pruning on particularly rambunctious plants, like this early girl that's just taken over, removing the suckers that I know are not going to be producing any tomatoes this year. That way, these ones can continue to evolve and grow and ripen. Do tomato plants need support? Highly recommend. Without sturdy support, tomato plants will simply wander all over the ground and you'll lose a lot of your tomatoes to critters. Do tomato plants need to be fertilized? Tomatoes do best when grown in soil that's been enriched with organic matter, including composted manure. Adding fertilizer to them while they're growing is unnecessary and will result in an overproduction of foliage. Well, it's time to get back to Danielle to see how she's coming along with her recipe.
Thanks, Adrienne. Let's get to work on our salad. We'll start by making the finishing touch to the salad, a caramelized almond brittle. Mix the almonds with sugar and maple syrup and spread them evenly on a baking sheet. They'll bake at a 350-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Cut your tomatoes into medium-sized cubes. You can certainly use an array of different colored tomatoes in the salad. Tomatoes are a wonderful source of vitamin C and lycopene. The tomatoes pair beautifully with the beets and watermelon, which I've already cut up. Before we assemble the salad, we'll make our dressing, which consists of white balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and a little salt. Let's check on our caramelized almonds. Ooh, perfectly browned. Set the brittle aside to cool thoroughly while you assemble the salad. I'm using red beets today, but you could also use gold or a combination of the two. Sweet watermelon cubes complement the beets and tomatoes. Dress the salad just before you're going to serve it. Keep it chilled in the refrigerator without the dressing until you're ready to serve. I'm adding some fresh chopped mint as a garnish. When the brittle has cooled, break it into small chunks. Small pieces of the caramelized almonds will give the salad its final yum. Thanks for being with us today. Next week, we'll be working with another member of the nightshade family, eggplant. See you then.